About Project Protocol AI. About it. We want to break down the moat, empower the small players so we can compete with the advantages the big players have in the DeFi world. The current financial market structure is dominated by relatively few very large players who serve the needs of many smaller players. This creates an urgency problem as the needs of the individual smaller participants are overshadowed by the market power and the market dominance of the large players. Ultimately, young people suffer from the lack of the choice, poor service, and high fees. Protocol AI's mission is to use existing blockchain technology along with the recent developments in DeFi, decentralized finance, to help empower financial market participants through community-governed systems, fair, transparent, and secure, promoting freedom of choice and equal opportunity for all. Interpretation. The words of the which initial letter is capitalized have meanings defined under the following condition. The following definitions should have the same meanings regardless of whether they appear in singular or in plural. Definitions. For the purpose of the cookies policy, the community referred to as either of the community we, us, or our in this cookies policy refers Protocol AI Limited Cayman Islands. Cookies mean small files that are placed on the computer, mobile device, or any other device of the website containing details of the browsing history on that website among its many uses. Website refers to Protocol AI accessible from the HTTPS protocol LAI.io. It means the individuals accessing or using the website, or a company or any legal entity on the behalf of the which such individuals is accessing or using the website as applicable. The company will retain your personal data only for as long as it is necessary for the purpose set out in this privacy policy. Will retain and use your personal data to the extent necessary to comply with your legal obligations. For example, if we are required to retain your data to comply with the applicable laws, resolve disputes, and enforce your legal agreements and policies. The company will also retain usage data for internal analysis purposes. Usage data is generally retained for a shorter period of time, except when this data is used to strengthen the security or improve the functionality of our service, or we are legally obliged to retain this data for a long time periods. The information, including personal data, is processed at the company's operating office and in any other places where the parties involved in the processing are located. It means that its information may be transferred to and maintained on the computers located outside the state, province, country, or other governmental jurisdiction, where the data protection laws may differ than those from your jurisdiction. Your connect to this privacy policy followed by your submissions of such information represent your agreement to that transfer. The company will take all steps reasonably necessary to ensure that your data is treated securely and in accordance with the privacy policies, and no transfer of your personal data will take place with an organization or a country unless there are adequate controls in place, including the security of your data and